Thank you to my channel members. If you want to learn more about being a channel member and the perks that go with it, click on the link in my pinned comment. Okay, dancing drums explosion at Cosmopolitan. Let's see if we can do something wonderful on the $10 bet. Come on. Let's get a pot lid to close. Yes. All right. Now I need something better than the mini. Thank goodness we got the jackpot upgrade. Let's get that 2 million. At least the gold major. Better not be the mini. Okay. Minor is acceptable. I like that upgrade feature. Ooh, that was a total of 9104. Had a line hit. Briefly ahead. Oh my gosh, it closed again. Don't you love it? As an upgrade. Come on. Major or explosion grand. Oh, mini's not fun. I'm betting $10. It should give me more than the mini. Come on, drums. Let's dance for a gold drum bonus. Spotlight close again. Let's jump ahead to a bonus. Come on, one more. Yes, we got it. We got the dancing drums gold drum explosion feature. Unfortunately, I'm going to have to take the 3 spins for this. Just because why get the gold drum if you don't do the 3? Wish me luck. Here, let me get the screen a little better there. I hope it pays off this time. Come on. Something wonderful. Oh my gosh, a dead spin. 2 dead spins. Well, thank gosh the last spin paid me something. That was really sad, guys. Certainly saved the bonus and doubled my money. That was very upsetting with those 2 dead spins, though. However, the game's been active. Pot lid is closed twice. We got the gold drum bonus. Can we do something else? Or am I pushing my luck way too far? Got a double. Maybe it's time to quit. But yet the finger is still pushing. Of course, the real loss was not having my player's card in for so long. Aw, I need one more drum. Aw, darn it. Come on, another bonus. Redeem your bonus. Oh, okay. We got an upgraded jackpot. That's nice. How about you give me the major or the grand? Better not be the mini. Ah, jeez. Thank you. Alright, well, I guess an upgraded jackpot feature is better than no jackpot feature. That wasn't bad. I need another bonus, really. We need a good bonus. Yay, at least the pot's closing. I want the 2 million. I got a mini instead. Okay, maybe it'll close again and give me more than a mini or a minor. I live in hopes. Okay, pot lid closed, bonus, drums, excitement. Redeem those minis and those dead spins. Yes, 4 drum bonus and it's gold. Yes, thank you. 120. That was great. Oh, geez. If I pick mystery, I'm sure to be burned. One more time for the 3. No more dead spins. Something great. Well, you can do better. Re-trigger. Re-trigger. Come on, last spin needs to be huge. Oh no. Well, it was more than the other because it was a 4 drum bonus. Sort of sad though, don't you think? Oh, what am I doing here? I'm playing with my camera, guys. I was sad about that one, I'll be honest. On a $10 bet, I was hoping for more. If I get it one more time, I'm gonna pick mystery just for the heck of it. Come on, one more bonus. Wow, our 3rd gold drum bonus. I'm gonna keep my promise. I said I was gonna pick mystery. I'm going to. Wish me luck. Mystery it is. More than 5, more than 5, more than 5, more. Okay. It didn't burn me. It just gave me what I would have gotten anyway. Here I go, fiddling with my camera again, in the hopes that something big happens. That was nice. Thank you. So nice not to get a dead spin. 4 more of those. Oh, we re-triggered. That's great. That helps. Feel free to re-trigger again and again and again. Oh, we had a dead spin. I didn't like that. Come on, something big. Okay, 2 more spins. Maybe we'll trigger again. Oh, come on. 360. Wow. I love those food dogs or whatever they are. Can you imagine what this win would have been if I'd had 2 more rows of them? What a beautiful line hit. Okay, we got one last spin coming up here, guys. Let's see what it is. Okay, that was a beautiful bonus. I'm liking that bonus. We put 200 in. We have had 3 gold drum bonuses, a bunch of pot lid closures. Thank you. And the ticket's over 1,000. Gotta love that. So, let me close out. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna push my luck. Can we get more bonuses? Where should I stop? I'll stop at 800. Probably should stop right now. Oh. We got the upgrade. I want the 2 million. Oh, and it's the mini once again. I'm loving how active the game is, though, even if it is the mini all the time. Active with bonuses and the progressives. Oh, it did it again. I'm so happy. Just so exciting to always have a shot at the 2 million up there. Almost 3 million now. Oh yeah, give me him. Okay, minor is definitely a nice change from that mini. We're back over 1,000. At least briefly. That was our last feature. Let's see where I cash out. That's it. Cashing out. 200 in, $807 out. Thank you, Dancing Drums Explosion.